Well, I'm here at the Apantac stand here at IBC 2019, one of 3 videos that we're doing here, so make sure you check out the other 2. All of them are with this man, Thomas Tang. Hi, Thomas.
Hi.
So, Thomas, we're looking at quite a cool KVM Opengear solution you got here.
That's right. So we've been an Opengear partner for many years, and we're one of the leader partners in Opengear. So what we're demonstrating here, so in the last 2 videos, we kind of talked about multiviewers, KVM. This is really a multiviewer and a KVM combined, and in Opengear. Okay. So we actually here we show two cards, Opengear cards. The first card is what we call the KM card. So the KM card gives you the keyboard and mouse control and the switching. And the second card, it's the multiviewer card. In this case, is the HDMI inputs. So you can actually put in the SDI if you want. Okay, it doesn't really matter. So with these 2 cards combined, you can see now we can actually make a multiviewer and be able to move anywhere you want within that and control. You know, the mouse and keyboard will move freely. And then we can also do a quick preset. Let me just do that preset real quick. So we're going to switch to this preset here. In this preset now we went from a quad split now to some different configurations. In this different configurations, you can also put in different text and labels. Okay, so you could switch these around. There's up to 30 different presets that you could switch around.
It's an amazing, and just seeing, and the mouse and keyboard obviously follows you around wherever you go on the screen as well.
Yeah, it's very handy. So you can switch them anywhere you want in command control, even in production.
Brilliant. Now, obviously, first time I've seen this. What's the availability of this?
We're shipping this now.
As always. Thomas, thank you very much. Obviously, people can see you here at IBC. If they couldn't, what's the website?
Please go to www.apantac.com.
Thomas, thank you very much. Well, there you go. Another incredibly cool product here from Apantac at IBC 2019. Don't forget to check out their website for all the information you could possibly need on the full range of Apantac products. For more from us here at IBC, don't forget to look at KITPLUS.com.